In this project, you will add a switch anywhere in your circuit using a flap switch. In the previous cut and fold switch, the switch was built into the edge of the page, but you can add a switch anywhere in your circuit as long as it interrupts the flow of electricity between your battery and your light. A flap switch works the same way as any switch. You start with a complete circuit, then cut a small gap in one of the connections to create your switch gap. Next, you tape or glue a small flap of paper alongside the gap. When you fold the flap over the gap, the conductive tape bridges it, closing the switch and turning on the light. In this project, the switch is placed on the positive connection between the battery and the LED. You also can place it on the negative connection instead. Either way works. Grab your materials and let's build. You will need one Launchpad LED, one Launchpad battery, conductive tape, 2 binder clips, 4 clear yellow stickers, and a pair of scissors. Turn to the template. On the template, stick conductive tape over the blue line and the red line. When you reach the switch gap area, make sure to leave a gap in the tape. Place the Launchpad LED over the footprint. Make sure the positive and negative pads match the footprint. Tape the Launchpad LED in place using the clear yellow stickers over each pad. Place the Launchpad battery over the matching battery footprint and binder clip the battery in place. Cut off the corner of the page along the bold black line, then fold it at the dotted line. This is your switch flap. The conductive tape on the flap will act as the switch contact. Place the switch flap over the gray rectangular footprint so that the letter A on the flap aligns with the letter A on the page. Tape the left side of the switch flap using clear yellow stickers to hold it in place. When you press the flap down, the switch closes and the light turns on. Flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. What glows beneath the waves when you press the triangle button? Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.